Papa, you go to DR for 1 month and a half, and me looking for you, I can't find you.
Okay, what you need?
I need you. I need to see you.
Okay, where are you?
I'm outside right now.
Okay.
All right. That's my boy Bruno. He just got back from vacation yesterday. He was in DR for like a month and a half, and I had to pick up all the slack for him. But now he's finally back, and I'm glad he is. And we're gonna say what up to him. I'm gonna see how he's doing. Update on the yellow Aventador. The rims are actually gonna come off. We're getting some new Forgiata wheels, which are getting built at the moment. Also, big update on the interior. I mentioned that we were gonna change out that sub box, but we're doing a whole lot more. We're actually gonna be doing the full interior, including the seats, carpet, dashboard. As you can see, most of the stuff is already stripped out. We're about to take out the dashboard next. Those pieces on the center console area are actually done already. We're gonna give it that East Coast Autosport look. It's gonna look 20 times better, I guarantee it. We also got this new Ford Raptor that came in. This is actually from a body shop. They were interested in our upholstery work, so we got this whole truck stripped out as well. We're also gonna be doing the seats. We're doing red guts in this bad boy. As you can see, everything is disassembled, and we're gonna be adding red on the panels. Matter of fact, we actually got the driver and passenger seat already done. The Raptor still engraved in there. And you guys can tell how much detail goes into this work. Right here behind me, I have a GLE that came in for Ceramic Pro. We're in the process of doing a paint correction. This is getting a gold package ceramic, and I recommend, if you're not clear wrapping your car, at least do a Ceramic Pro on it. That's the least you could do for your car. Everybody say welcome back to Mr. Bruno. He's got, we missed him, the YouTube channel. How you doing? How was DR, Papa?
Everything good.
Everything all right?
Everything good.
Yeah?
Only no mucho money, come back.
Come back, right?
Yeah.
Come back, Autosport. Autosport pay.
Autosport pay.
Very good. Everything, baby. You see, DR no mucho money, come back, Autosport.
Come back, Autosport. Autosport continue working. I need to pay.
My man. Good to have you back. Right here, guys, we have the all-new G-Wagon. As you can tell, we just did a star headliner on it. We do it on any color, and it shows just as good as if it were a black headliner, as you guys can tell. We also did a full clear wrap on this car. He actually scratched something in the back, the fender flare. We're gonna take care of that now. We're gonna paint it and then rewrap it in clear for him. So it was hit back here. We remove the flare. Once it's repaired, we're gonna clear wrap it and put it back on. Let's go. Mr. Ivan, how you doing? What we got going on?
My whips is keyless, confident I'm about to get the key to the city. Paddock, lighter, see, forget another coupe by the lot. Told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT, busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a link with the box, had to put a stick in the box. Pull up the whole damn seal, I'ma get.
He's gonna get painted next, as you can see, and then when it's done, we do a light wet sand and buff, clean it up, and it goes.
And I really wanna know where you at, where? Pulling out a coupe by the lot, told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT.
Today we got the X6M here, getting a full matte clear PPF applied on the whole vehicle. When I say matte clear, this car was originally a gloss silver. So once we applied the paint protection film and the matte finish, now the paint looks frozen. So if you ever have a nice color and you want to put clear, you don't always have to put the gloss clear. You always have the option of adding a matte clear, and it'll change the whole dynamic and the whole look of the car. These are the OEM Lamborghini wheels. The car is white now, so we're gonna add some white wrap on the V-spokes. We got my guy Manny on the computer now. He's actually cutting out the V-spokes. It's gonna fit flush and clean and pristine, and it's gonna look how? Flawless. So that's what's going on here with Manny. When he got his glasses on, he's actually working.